Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Adalo, build mobile apps without coding step by step clearly. To log into Adalo and start building your mobile app, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.adalo.com and press enter. Once the Adalo homepage loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you have the option to enter your email address and password if you already have an account. Simply type your email address in the first field. Then, enter your password in the second field. If you prefer to log in using a Google account, click on the Login with Google button. This will redirect you to a Google authentication page. Select the Google account you want to use. If prompted, enter your Google password to continue. After logging in, you may need to confirm some permissions for Adalo to access your account. Once completed, you will be redirected to your Adalo dashboard. Here, you can start building your mobile app using the user-friendly interface. If you forget your password, click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. Now you're all set to explore Adalo and bring your app ideas to life. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.